Satin. 10 do-it-yourself custom headbands. Wrap and stick to create a unique fashion accessory. Great group activity. Includes 8 satin and stretchy headbands, ribbons, fabric flowers, shoelace, gem stem, ribbon straps, loops, tulle, sticky gems, felt and rubber bands. Recommended for children 6 years of age and older. So many headbands. Wrap, stick, slide and layer your way to a bold fashion statement. Make fun headbands, any way you want and for any occasion. Match an outfit, a holiday or even a mood. A great rainy day project as well as a fun party or sleepover activity. Alex DIY so many headbands. Recommended for children 6 years of age and older. Contains 8 satin headbands, 2 stretchy headbands, 5 ribbons, 8 fabric flowers, rainbow shoelace, slide-on gem stem, 2 easy attach ribbon straps, 2 easy attach loops with sticky felt, 6 pieces of tulle, 86 sticky gems, 3 felt shapes, 6 pieces sticky felt, 4 rubber bands and easy instructions. Top reviews from the United States. Gift for my great niece. She loved these headbands, great value for the price.